Hi there, welcome to my Yesstyle unboxing video. I ordered these products a few weeks ago and it arrived within 10 to 12 days expedited shipping to the UK. This is a free sample, Pure Derm Aloe Collagen Mask. Another sample, Cosa Intensive EGF Peptide Cream. This is oil blotting paper. My boyfriend wanted some. They had an offer as a sale. Pack of 2 here of 100 of each of them. So I ordered 2 for him. This is Romand Better Than Eyes 3 Colours Dry Mango Tulip. It's a present, so I'm not going to open that. For my niece. This is Simply Pink Pro Eye Palette by Clio. Also a present for my niece. Let's see. This is the Cosrx Acne Cream, but they've covered the front. Let's see. AC Collection Spot Cream. It's really good. This one I bought for myself, so I can show you how it looks like inside. I used it last time for my acne. I've got oily, sensitive skin and prone to acne, so this one's really good for acne. I reordered Propolis Vitamin Synergy Serum by Iunic. Iunic is a really good brand I just discovered recently, and I've used this serum before. I'm not going to open it now. Actually, I can open it now if I peel the seal. Let's see how long that takes. Let me get scissors. Here we go, let's see, with scissors, I can open it. Here with scissors, is it opening? Here we go, scissors, I opened the box. Here's the Propolis serum in a glass bottle. It's good for powerful calming, nourishing and brightening wrinkle care. So I use this after toner step, essence, and then this. It's really great for the winter time when your skin's feeling a bit more lacking moisture, but it doesn't make your skin too oily or anything like that neither. It absorbs straight in. I ordered 2 boxes of this because they were on sale and I've tried them before. It is the Stress Out Solution Pad by Bella Monster. It's really great stuff. I can open it up inside to show you. I'm not going to open all of it. Here, Stress Out Solution Pad. Here you get, how many pads inside? I think you get about 90. Where does it say? Here, this toner pad says Trouble Care line offers synergetic effect of carrot seed oil, effective for soothing the skin that ensure clean and calming care for the skin. So this is really good for anyone that's got acne problems. I use it. I used it this summer and I really liked it, so I bought 2 more. I was lucky it was on sale. Can't remember the price. I think it was around £10 each. So yeah, I bought that. Stocked up on that. Let's see. Oh, I bought this to try. I've never tried this before, but I've heard reviews about it. And I've tried their snail essence, and I really love that. This is a Cosrx Advanced Snail 92 all-in-one cream, formulated with 92% snail secretion, filtrate, mucin. This cream helps naturally create the appealing glow of healthy skin. So inside it looks like this. It's a jar. I'm not going to open it yet because I'm saving that to use. Oh, I also bought the Tea Tree Relief Serum from iUnique. I've never tried this before. It's good for acne to treat it. So it says it's powerful relief, natural, moisturizing, soothing care, brightening and wrinkle care. I won't open it now as I'm saving to use. And to go along with it, I bought the iUnique Centella Calming Gel Cream. It has Centella Asiatica leaf water 70%, tea tree leaf water 10%, brightening and wrinkle care, double functional cosmetics. It's also got a seal, so I'm saving that for future use. Oh, and also part of the iUnique, I bought Centella Bubble Cleansing Foam for my second step of double cleansing. It has Centella Asiatica leaf water 69%. For all skin types, pH balancing. This one's meant to be really good. It was on sale as well, so I bought this one. From Green Deep Foaming Cleanser by Perito. Another sample they gave me. And these two are for my niece. Let's see, Peri Pera Sugar Twinkle Liquid Glitter Wave. And Peri Pera Sugar Twinkle Glitter Soda Pop Flakes. So those two items are for my niece. Over here is everything. I hope you enjoyed watching my unboxing, and I'll see you in the next one.